everyone, my name is Mrs. Kinzer and I get to be your science teacher for the upcoming school year. I am so excited to get started and I hope that you are too. I hope this video finds you having a wonderful end of your summer. We will start school here in just a few short days and I am really pumped for this school year. I just wanted to let you know that for the first week and a half of school that I will not be there because I will be finishing up my maternity leave. So I wanted to introduce you to my noisy little nugget. Her name is Liesl, and she's right here. And she likes to make faces and likes to spit a lot. But because of that, I will be starting work again. I'll be going back to school full time on Monday, August 27th. And until then, I know that you're going to be in great hands. We're going to do a lot of fun activities to kick off our school year and just to kind of set the tone that way. If you have any questions or comments or just anything at all in general or questions about the class, I will still be checking my email, so feel free to email me if you have anything of concern. Once again, I look forward to having a fantastic school year with you, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.